Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam. Anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam. V-Money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been uploading, so sorry. Anyways, you're going to see many videos because I've recorded many videos, but I haven't been editing lately. I was so busy. Sorry, I'm giving the same excuses every time. I know, almost a month without uploading. It's crazy, but anyways, I'm coming with many videos. So today we are going to be doing this crochet, okay, passion twist, pre-passion twist, actually 12 inches. And the company name, listen, I'm going to leave the company name down there, okay, and all the links is from Amazon. So I'm going to leave the name because listen, I can't pronounce the name. Just wait. The name of the company is LOSMOEER. So I don't want to spell it badly. So it's LOSMOEER. That, okay. So let me talk about this hair a little bit before you see the tutorial. So this hair is cute, okay. Lightweighted. Sorry, my phone. My neighbors. Sorry guys, my neighbors. So as I was saying, I'm going to leave all the links down below about this hair, okay. They are from Amazon. I also have another hair which I'm going to review, but let me talk about this hair today. Well, it's lightweighted. It's in color 1B, and actually I just did cornrows in the back and individuals in the front because I wanted that natural looking effect in the front. So in this video I'm going to show you different styles also you can do with this hair. Are you for real? My mom, for sure. Sorry once again. I don't know why anytime I'm doing videos people will be calling me, but anyways, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I style this hair and all. Like, I'm going to do different styles so you can actually have this cute and short passion twist for summer, you know. You know what I mean? You know. So my cuties, that was it. I mean, that's it. This is the hair, cute, lightweighted shirts. You can do ponytail, anything you want with the hair. So without talking a lot, even though I did, if you want to know how I achieved, oh, I even show how I did the cornrows, so like stay tuned for this video because it's very detailed, okay. I want you guys to learn. I mean, we're in 2021. If you don't know how to do cornrows, you need to learn. You guys, you feel me? So my goodness, that was it. If you want to know how I did this cute crochet hair, just keep watching.
It's my day on the beats, and your girl be her. Shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need me to, you know I still come through. Give me love, yeah, forever, yeah. I the grace for you. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for your love. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's my day on the beats. And your girl be hey. Shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need mood to. But you know I still come through. Give me love, yeah. Forever, yeah. I dey craze for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for your love. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's my day on the beats. And your girl be hey. Shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need mood to. But you know I still come through. Give me love, yeah. Forever, yeah. I dey craze for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's my day on the beats. And your girl be shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need me to, but you know I still come through. Give me love, yeah, forever, yeah. I the grace for you. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I the craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's my day on the beats. And your girl be shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need me to, but you know I still come through. Give me love, yeah, forever, yeah. I the grace for you. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I the craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's my day on on the beats. And your girl be shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need me to, but you know I still come through. Give me love, yeah, forever, yeah. I dey craze for you. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know, I feel love.
A quick nighttime routine, okay?
Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Of the question, and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Of the question, and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know.
If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share. Okay, very important. Share and watch all the adverts in my video. Watch them, you get. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you so much, and stay tuned for the other video because I guess I'm going to be uploading soon. Yes. Bye guys, love you so much. See you in the next video. As I said, love you. Peace. Bye guys.
When I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please.